Hi, today we're here for the Mr. Revolver Guy 22 challenge. There's the target. We're going back up there. This is at 50 yards. I think we're gonna shoot, I think it's 4 groups of 5 shot each, I think is what it was. So it's 28 degrees. Just a breath of air today. No rain, which is good. So we're gonna give this a go. Last time I shot this gun, I was trying to sight it in. It's a Ruger 1022. And I put on there a Bushnell Sports View scope. It's more of a hunting scope than a target scope. New Ruger mag, just got it in the mail. So let's get shooting this so this video doesn't get too long. Yeah, we want to get moving here. Oh, you ate up a minute. Okay, did I put one in there? No, I did not. There we go. All right, 4 shots, or 4 groups, 5 shots. I'm winded. I'm walking up there, shit. I'm getting old. Okay. I think that's 5. Five. Shoot that other one right there. Is that 5? I think I got 25 in here. Let's shoot one more target just to make sure. I think they're all shooting. Well, as the gun's getting dirtier, it looks like they're shooting low and right. But I'm not cleaning it in this cold weather. No, sir. So we'll take our best groups. I guess we'll get. Oh, my glasses are fogged up. A new mag worked pretty good. Genuine Ruger product, it said. It was. I bought a 2-pack. But this here, we'll take a look at this and then I'll post a picture, I guess, on Reloaders or Discord or something like that and see what we got. Yeah, as it got dirtier. Boy, that's odd. Look at that. My ammo ain't the best, I guess. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here's the best group. Here it is. Am I allowed to use that group? It ain't there. Boy, that ammo shoots everywhere. Here's that one. Here's this group. There. And here's this group. That's the blind squirrel gets and sometimes finds a nut group right there. What do you think? I don't know. All right. Well, that's it. That's my go at this. It ain't that I'm taking it lightly. It's just here in Pittsburgh area, good days to shoot are falling in between this time of year. And it's cold. Basically, it's cold. And so that's my Dwight targets. Thanks for watching the video.